Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Today's video is the Aquamarine So Jaded collab. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. Today is my monthly collab with the So Jaded palette and my beautiful friend Caitlin over at Cpfashioncosmetics. She did also let me know that we have some special guests in on this collab that I don't know about yet for my birthday. So thank you to whomever has joined. I'm sure they've created a playlist, and once this goes up, I will of course link that playlist for you guys. Please go check out my fellow beauties in the collab, and y'all know what I say. If you go watch and you're feeling a vibe, you're feeling a connection, you can relate to that beauty, subscribe. It is free, y'all. Free for you, and it means the absolute world to us. So I will quickly tell you what is on my face, and then we will dive in. I am wearing my Aquamarine earrings from Floating Intentions. I love them so very much. And I also try to wear an Aquamarine inspired top as well. So first up, I went in with my Stila One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. I've really been loving this. I showcased this in my haul, and I've used it about 4 times now, and it is wonderful. I also went in for the very first time with my Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in Peach, just under my eyes and over a couple of my little spots that I have, darlings. My foundation is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. This is the shade Creamy Ivory. I got this from Tony. Thank you, Tony. I love you. I have on my LYS lip oil for now, and then we'll switch it up and do a lip at the end of the video, of course. I did go in with my LYS Higher Standard blush in the shade Kindness. I've really been loving all the products that I got from LYS Beauty. I did also go in and set my face with the translucent powder from LYS Beauty, and my bronzer is the Motivate bronzer, also from LYS Beauty. My brows are my Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty, and of course I prime my lids with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Is that new to us? No. No, it's not. So we are going to dive in. If you're unfamiliar, my birthday is in March. That's why I'm so excited about this particular collab, and that is also why Caitlin was so generous enough and kind enough to invite some fellow beauties into the collab. So I'm super excited to see who else is in the collab. Again, thank you beauties so much for joining in on the collab, and of course thank you to Caitlin for inviting some fellow beauties into the collab. My birthday was on March 5th, and I had a fantastic weekend. This was the first time really in a very long time that I've completely unplugged. Even when I take a break, so to speak, when I say I'm taking a break, even when I was sick for that 3.5 weeks, I still was trying to catch up on my comments, check my comments and stuff like that every few hours, make sure I hearted comments, things like that. But this past weekend, I literally just did nothing other than relax, spend time with family and friends. Brett planned me a fantastic surprise birthday party. And I also got some new ink this weekend that I'm very excited about. So yeah, it's been fantastic. I feel renewed, I feel refreshed, and ready to get back on my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday schedule. So thank you guys so much for being patient. Thank you guys so much for their birthday wishes. You guys are fantastic. I love you. I have missed you. Be your own best beautiful.